Dear students, today I will discuss chapter 15 and name of the chapter 15 is the sun, moon and stars. Sun, moon and stars. So every day when you look up at the sky during the daytime, then you will see the shining sun. During daytime, you will see the shining sun, and you can see the moon and stars at the night. During daytime, you will see the sun, and during night, you will see the stars and moon. But stars and moon you can see during night. So when look up at the sky during the day, then you will see the shining star. And during night you will see the moon and the stars. So आप दिन में सन को देख सकते हैं और रात में आपको मून और स्टार्स दिखते हैं. So first we will discuss about the sun. First we will discuss about the sun. First we will discuss about the sun. We will discuss about the sun. So you can see that sun rises in the morning. सन कब निकलता है? मॉर्निंग के टाइम पे. सन राइजेस इन द मॉर्निंग. सन राइजेस इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम. सन राइजेस इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम. And it rises in the east. And which direction? In the east. सूर्य जो है वो मॉर्निंग में निकलता है और कौन से साइड में निकलता है? ईस्ट में, पूर्व दिशा में. ईस्ट दिशा में, पूर्व दिशा में सन निकलता है. देन it looks like the big ball of fire. You can see why it is, when we will look, it is very small. Why it is very small? Because it is very far away from here. It is very far away from here. That's why it is looks very small. And it is much bigger than the earth. But it is much bigger than the earth. In comparison to earth, it is much bigger. And it looks small. Why it looks small? Because it is very far away from us. Why it looks small? Because यहाँ से बहुत दूरी पे है और बहुत ज़्यादा दूरी पे होने के कारण ये हमें बहुत छोटा सा दिखता है. It is just look like the big ball of fire, but because it is very far away from here, that's why it looks very small. And you know that the sun shines brightly during the day, and sun provide us heat and light. Heat and light. सूर्य से हमें क्या मिलता है? प्रकाश, ऊष्मा और प्रकाश. तो हमें सन प्रोवाइड अस हीट एंड लाइट. सन प्रोवाइड अस हीट एंड लाइट. It gives us heat and light, and it looks overhead at noon, and the sun sets in the evening. कहाँ पे डूबता है? कौन से डायरेक्शन में? इवनिंग में डूबता है. और डायरेक्शन कौन सा है? वेस्ट. सन sets in the evening. It sets in the west. It sets in the west. And when the sun is seen, we have day. When the sun is seen, we have day. And after the sun sets, we have night. After the sun sets, we have night. When sun sets, then we have night, and again after some time morning. So what I discussed in this, here it is sun, and you can see that it looks very small because it is very far away from here. Because it is very far away from here, that's why it looks very small. And you know that sun rises in the morning. Sun rises in the morning, and it looks like a big ball of fire. And sun sets in the evening in the direction west. In the direction west. Sun sets in the evening. Which direction? West direction. पूर्व दिशा में निकलता है और पश्चिम दिशा में सूर्य अस्त होता है. पूर्व दिशा में सूर्य निकलता है और पश्चिम दिशा में अस्त होता है. So sun rises in the morning as the direction east, and sun sets in the evening direction west. And you know that sun shines brightly during the day, and sun provides us heat and light. Sun provides us heat and light, and it looks overhead at noon. And sun sets in the evening, and it sets in the west. When the sun is seen, we have day, and after the sun sets, we have night. So this is all about the sun. Today I discussed about the sun. So what I taught today, I start with the chapter 15, sun, moon and stars. Sun, moon and stars. This chapter I have completed, but again I started. So in this we will learn about the sun, we will learn about the moon, and we will learn about the stars. So first we will discuss about the sun. I discussed about the sun, and in this I told you sun rises in the morning in the direction east, and sun sets in the evening in the direction west. And I told you sun looks like a big ball of fire because it is very far away from here. So it is very far away from here, that's why it looks very small, and it gives us light and heat. It provides us light and heat. And when the sun is seen, we have day, and after the sun sets, we have night. So this is all about the sun, and next topic I will discuss about the moon.